Hello, Paul Hobra here. Excited about 13th, 14th of March in particular, because that's when I'll be presenting at the American Society for Medical Shockwave Treatments, the ASMST, only its second year. Friday, 13th, I'm reading here, at 4:30, I've got 30 minutes on the podium, and that's going to be the use of shockwave with physiotherapy, evidence-based and clinical practice. So that's take-home nuggets you can go straight into your practice the following week and use. We've also got a panel discussion. Then on Saturday, March 14th, this is at 10:45, I'm going to be doing my talk Shockwave 101. That's integrating shockwave into clinical practice, and also another panel discussion at the end of that. So quite heavy in terms of featuring at this wonderful, wonderful event, which I expect you to come along to and see. Not just me, there's many members of the board of the ASMST going to be there, and some now exceptional local USA presenters who just, the USA are just soaring now with shockwave, and I'm so excited to see what everyone brings to the table. Some new stuff, some deep dives on some of the stuff that we know, but perhaps a nuanced look at it. My role, I always see, is giving you stuff that you can take directly into your practice for the rest of time. There are other people that give deep dives into the science, which is so valuable. I'm all about the practical application. So if you want to be there and listen to what I have to say, some of which is brand new research, then I will look forward to seeing you. So it's in Boston, 13th, 14th of March, and I can't wait to be there. I'm super excited, and I hope you are too.